Good morning, class. This is our poetry lesson 2. I'm going to start by reading this poem. The ocean. Beautiful ocean. Roaring waves crashing down on me, floating in the foam. So this is poetry lesson 2, and today we're going to be learning about and how to write a haiku poem. So haiku. A haiku is a Japanese poem that does not rhyme. It is a poem that describes something in nature. Haiku poems have 3 lines with a certain number of syllables in each line. Line 1 has 5 syllables, line 2 has 7 syllables, and line 3 has 5 syllables. For those of you who do not know what a syllable is, I'm going to tell you. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. It is kind of hard to explain, so it may be easier to show you some examples. Gervais. I'm going to start with my last name. How many sounds do you hear with the word Gervais? I hear 2. Gervais. Sometimes clapping helps. Gervais. A second example I'm going to demonstrate are my kids' names, Sophia and Audrey. Try saying it and see how many sounds you hear. Sophia, I hear 3. Sophia. Audrey, Audrey, I hear 2. Audrey. Right. Now try your own name, maybe your family member's name. Practice with someone. So right now you can pause this and give it a try. All right, here's a video on syllables.
Syllables. Look what Nikki and Ricky are up to. Nikki and Ricky are chopping words into parts. It helps them to spell the words. Banana is chopped into 3 parts. Na. Princess is chopped into 2 parts. Princess. Monkey is chopped into 2 parts. Monkey. They could not chop the word chair. Can you tell why Nikki and Ricky chopped these words? Yes, because it helps them to pronounce these words. These chopped parts are the beats of the words known as syllables. Every word has a beat or more than one beat in it. For example, the word chair has 1 beat. The word princess has 2 beats. That is, prin and cess. And the word banana has 3 beats or syllables. That is, na. In a word, each part or a syllable has 1 vowel sound.
So I'm going to stop you there. So you can call it syllables. You can also think of it as beats. You can use clapping. Try to find a method that works best for you. So now that we know what syllables are, we can write our haiku poem. So remember the rules. It's about nature. It has 3 lines. Line 1 has 5 syllables. Line 2 has 7. And line 3 has 5 again. 5, 7, 5. Kind of easy. All right, let's try. So this is one that I actually just wrote a few minutes ago. So I love rainbows. I don't know what you want to choose. Maybe you want to choose like waterfalls or rivers or trees or grass or flowers, whatever you decide. Rainbows are pretty. Do you see how I use these dashes to separate the syllables? If you want to do that, you can. I don't mind if you put that in your good copy, but you don't have to. Rainbows are pretty. Rainbows are pretty. Do you agree that that's 5 syllables? Colors always stay the same. Colors always stay the same. So that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one, I like them a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my syllables are 5, 7, 5. And that is my poem. Pretty easy, pretty fun. And yeah, just have fun with it. So now for your assignment. So what I've done this time is because I know that Google Drawing doesn't work for people with tablets. So I've given you 2 options. So don't do them both, just do one. So on Google Drawing, this is the one I have for you. Finally fit it into 3 lines with the right amount of syllables. So right here is where you're going to put your title. And these 3 lines are where you're going to write your poem. And it says down here, tip, remember the haiku is about something in nature. For those of you who do not have a like a regular computer Chromebook, this is a Google Docs that you are also able to use. So haiku, think of something in nature. You would just click here, write the title. So maybe you want to make it about rainbows. You don't have to. It will be underlined, so please just give it a try. And then line 1, 5 syllables, you're just going to write it here. Rainbows are pretty. Rainbows are pretty. Yeah. So that's what you do. You write your 3 lines, and then you just submit it and show me that you're done. I hope that this works for everyone. And if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck, everyone. Let me see. I got to figure out how to